Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now we have our KPI, total employees. It works perfectly, but it doesn't look great yet. And in Power BI, presentation matters. We want to make our KPI looks clean, professional, and easy to read. So click on your total employees card. Once selected, go to the right side and open the format panel, the pencil roller icon. Go to General, Title, turn it on. Now type total employees in the title. You can also increase text size, make it bold, choose font color, and align it to the center. Now go to Effects. Here you can really improve the design, change the background color, turn on the visual border, add round corners, and enable shadow. These small changes make your KPI looks modern and professional. Now go to Callout Value. Here you can increase font size, make it bold also, and adjust color. Make it bigger and easy to read. For category label, you can turn it off for a cleaner look or customize it. So guys, I'm going to let you play with the settings. Try customizing your visual the way you want. Change colors, sizes, layout. This is how you develop your own dashboard style. Now as you can see, the KPI looks clean, stylish, and easy to read. Good dashboards are not just about data, they're about presentations, so make your KPI stand out. In the next lesson, we'll continue building and formatting more visuals. Now your dashboard is looking professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.